The function of a condensate cleaner is to separate and remove condensate from compressed air, preventing corrosion and damage to equipment and pipelines caused by condensate. It is usually installed at the outlet of equipment such as air storage tanks and dryers. The working principle of a condensate cleaner is based on gravity separation, centrifugal separation, etc. When compressed air containing condensate enters the condensate cleaner, due to the effect of gravity or centrifugal force, the condensate separates from the air and is then discharged through a drainage device. In some humid environments, the role of a condensate cleaner is particularly important, as it can effectively extend the service life of equipment.